Hello everyone, in this video I will show you best IPTV player apps for iPhone, iPad and Apple TV. So here we are just going to talk about this. The first one is the GSE Smart IPTV. You can get it on Google Play Store, you can also get it on Apple, right? So it's available there. And you can just download it and you can also use it. So it's really interesting as well as very easy, right? So as you hear, you can do it just like how you install your other applications. And the second is iPlay TV. Now, iPlay TV, it's the price is around 5.99 euros. The feature is intuitive layout, support M3U playlist, and includes all electronic program guide. You can also install it over the App Store here. Now, the last one is IPTVX. This is available on multiple device, synchronization, APG search, support variation, format including Extreme, API, and M3U. The price is it's a subscription based, so you can just go and check out there, right? And it's depending upon the family player as well as. So you can just read here, it's one of the best one, but you can also go and choose any one of them. Thanks for watching, subscribe.